As the APEC Economic Leaders Week is underway in the U.S. city of San Francisco, eyes are on the interactions between China and the United States. So how local Americans see the relationship between the two largest economies in the world, and what are their expectations? Let's find out. How important do you think the relationship between China and the U.S.?
It's extremely important because we do a lot of trade with China.
I think it's pretty important. I mean, especially as someone that just graduated college.
The relationship between USA and China is positive. People are inherently good people, and we just want to have a good relationship with China and share culture with each other.
What areas do you think our two countries can collaborate?
Definitely manufacturing, definitely on economic fronts, like mentioned before.
I think on commerce, trade, patents.
Climate is a big issue. We need to get on the same page with that.
Like culture and like clean energy, like electric EVs, electric vehicles, because both countries have a lot to share and you won't get very far alone.
I expect better relations. I think there's a lot of mistrust between the two countries, and I hope that they can resolve it for the good of the nation and for Chinese people and the U.S. population.
I hope this is the start of a better, more friendly relationship for the two countries, because I really think that they can help each other.